Hello, boost your WooCommerce sales with exciting offers. Learn how to set up a Buy X Get Y free deal using the ShopBuilder plugin and X Smart Coupon module. Create irresistible promotion in just a few steps. For this, you must need to install and activate both ShopBuilder Free and Pro plugin. Then go to the ShopBuilder setting and then modules. Find Smart Coupons and enable Smart Coupon module. You will get several settings like extra admin columns and then enable bulk coupon generator options. After that, go to the marketing of your dashboard and then coupons. Click on add new coupon. This is the interface of it. Now generate your coupon code here and in the description box provide your offer name. Now fix your discount type like percentage discount under the coupon data. Set coupon amount and provide the coupon expired and start date. And then for extra settings, you can enable or disable the options for auto apply coupon, first purchase coupon, and in the users restriction, you can set minimum spend and maximum spend. For the product, first we go to the shop page and now we will create Buy X Get Y, for example, buy watch get shoe free. For this, select the product and paste it here. Then for extra restriction, you can use these options. In the users limit, you can customize users limit per coupon, limit users to any item, and also the users limit per user. Now go to the gift or BOGO product to enable this gift product option. After enabling this for your gift product, let's see how does it do. Firstly, copy any product name and paste it here. We are now watching the process of adding gift product. Okay, now provide the quantity of your gift product and also provide any custom gift notice if you have. And then click on publish to save it. Now copy the coupon code from the above and then go to the shop page. Select this product to add to cart. Now click on view cart. Paste your copied coupon code here. Now click on apply coupon. Thus your coupon code applied will be successful. This is the quantity and here it will display the subtotal. On the top, this is your coupon gift notice. But in the coupon gift notice box, you can write any gift note here. Now click on proceed to checkout. You can also view the detailed information of the ordered product here. Now click on place order. This is your order invoice with the details, product item name with the total price and the product quantity with the discount. After discount, your total price. Now let's move to the coupon. Here, your total sales does not appear at this moment. For this, go to the WooCommerce of your dashboard and then order. Right now, your order status is displaying on hold. You can also see this in your order details. While you turn your order status into completed from the on hold, automatically it will be added on your coupon and it will show the total sales of that specific product. Let's visit the page to see our modification. Copy this product name and keep it for future use. Now let's move to the ShopBuilder and then template settings to add a new page. This is the interface of it. Now provide a suitable name like product page, template type as product page template for. Then select your products to apply template. Select a product for preview. Paste that copied product name here. Then you will find several pre-built templates for your product page. Click any one to import and then edit with Elementor. This is the interface of it. Now go to the marketing of your ShopBuilder dashboard and click on Edit to this product code and enable this option to show the coupon code on fronted. Now back to the Edit with Elementor and drag the coupon list here. Then go to the settings and change the title of custom batch text as BOGO offer. Now click on this plus icon and type the title. Drag the heading and drop it here. Provide a title for this heading. Then go to the style for your further customization. If you want, you can change the text color of your heading from this color picker and customize the typography like size. Now click on Publish to save all these and go to the single product page to visit. This is your coupon code. Click on Add to Cart, then View Cart. Paste the coupon code and apply it. Your coupon applied is successful and this is your coupon gift note. Thus you can set up buy X get Y free in WooCommerce store. Thank you for watching.